Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cart recovery with Omnisend, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore cart recovery with Omnisend, begin by logging into your Omnisend account.
Navigate to the Automation tab on the left sidebar.
Click on Create Workflow to start a new workflow.
Select Abandon Cart from the list of available workflows.
You will be prompted to set up your workflow trigger. Choose the condition that will initiate the abandoned cart recovery process.
Set the delay time for when the email should be sent after the cart is abandoned. Customize your email template by clicking on the Email step. Select a pre-designed template or create your own from scratch. Add engaging content to your email, showcasing the items left in the cart. Incorporate a strong call to action button linking back to the cart. Enhance the email with personalization tags, such as the customer's name and item details. Consider adding an incentive, like a discount code, to encourage the customer to complete their purchase. Once your email design is complete, test it by sending it to yourself or a colleague. Review the settings and ensure everything looks correct before activating the workflow. After testing, hit the Activate button to enable your cart recovery automation. Monitor the performance of your campaign in the Reports section. Adjust your strategy based on the results to optimize future recovery efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.